What up guys, Crypto Ether here, back at it again with another crypto video. So today's article reads, top analyst forecast Bitcoin price to 200k pre-halving. Basically what the halving event is that Bitcoin miners are only able to mine half the amount of Bitcoin that they normally mine. So when you think of Bitcoin, just think of supply and demand. They're basically cutting the supply when they do that, guys. So and then in turn demand increases. So it's just simple supply and demand. Usually when this halving event occurs like 6 months to a year after, price usually goes way up, right? So I think they are using these Elliott wave indicators to show that it's possible that it even hits 200k prior to this halving event. But let's jump into it a bit deeper and we'll see what this analyst has to say about it, right? So the analyst Gert Van Loggen shared two basic targets for Bitcoin price, covering both bull case and bear case scenarios. With bull case target of 200,000, he supported his thesis with the Elliott wave indicator on a weekly chart. So Gert Van Loggen is the latest market expert to wade into Bitcoin price forecast, but with a relatively more ambitious forecast compared to the $60,000 call from Mark Mobius, as reported earlier by the Crypto Basic. Again, guys, I was just saying they're using these Elliott wave indicators as a tool to like read these charts, right? So based on past history, Gert Van Loggen typically uses Elliott waves as his go-to tool to determine the shift in Bitcoin corrections. The analyst marked the 200k price target since at least December 16th last year, and he notably revalidated this forecast, but with a minor twist this time. The twist involves a likely correction in Bitcoin price to $31,800. According to his disclosure, if Bitcoin price drops to this level, he would invalidate the bullish structure. Since the start of this year, Bitcoin's price has hovered around the two extremes, ranging from 41,714 to 48,969. While the $30,000 price level is yet to be breached, the cautious call to watch out for the support underscores the uncertainty that lies ahead in this volatile world of crypto. At the moment, Bitcoin's price market capitalization are up by 0.87 and to 43,051, and then 8,443.76. Oh, whoa, that's a bigger number. I'm sorry, 843,746,983, with the trading volume hitting a 0.56% jump to 20,916,980 respectively, right? So the Elliott wave pattern typically features 5 waves. Data from the accompanying chart shows that the Bitcoin is currently trading within the third wave. The analyst projections assert that the token would surge to 83,269 upon completing wave 3. This would mark a new all-time high for Bitcoin. However, Gert Van Loggen's projections suggest that the fourth wave could accumulate with Bitcoin collapsing from 80k territory to the $54,000 zone. The analyst expects Bitcoin to hit the $200,000. See that? I'm sorry if I'm kind of like chopping this up, but the grammar here is not the best. The analyst expects Bitcoin to hit the $200,000. Like what? All right, sorry, I just had to address that, guys, because like that's confusing me when I'm reading here. When it completes wave 5, right? So let's go ahead and keep going here. While it is a steep growth track from the current level to the $200,000 target from the analyst, he believes the target is generally not too steep for the top coin, Bitcoin halving as a catalyst. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. This halving, I think, is going to be the catalyst that launches Bitcoin out of here. I kind of see price just kind of going up and down until, 6 months to a year after the halving event, right? So let's go ahead and keep going here though. The emergence of spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds product initially served as the reference catalyst that many analysts hinged on to drive the price of Bitcoin to new highs. However, Bitcoin has relatively underperformed compared to expectations, and this leaves the forthcoming Bitcoin halving as the next crucial trigger that can fuel price gains. The halving event is scheduled for sometime in April, and historically, investors might go on an accumulation spree leading to the event, thus forming mega targets set by Gert Van Loggen. So people usually try to try to accumulate as much Bitcoin as they can prior to the event, apparently. So that could be something that happens as well, guys. It's really hard to say with crypto though. It's so volatile. Nobody can really predict where this stuff goes, guys. We can only look at like market triggers and like, you know, current economic states, and then we also look to elections and when those are going on. Obviously the spot Bitcoin ETFs had a huge effect on the market as well, guys. So, you know, we try to look at past history, we look at patterns. There's a lot that goes into it, but again, like, you can only use those things as kind of like a general idea. It's never perfect, guys, and honestly, like, Bitcoin does what it wants to do, but what it's continuously done throughout history is eventually go up higher than it ever was previously, right? So when does it stop doing that? I don't think it ever does, guys. But hey, that's just my opinion. A lot of other people have the same opinion as me, but what's your opinion? You know, where do you think Bitcoin lies in the next year? Do you think we can see Bitcoin hit 200K before the halving event in April? I sure would like to know your guys' thoughts. That being said, I hope everybody's having a great week out there. I'll see you on tomorrow's video. It's Crypto Ether. I'm out of here. Peace.